What's the matter, Jeremiah? Are you stuck?
No.
Jeremiah's stuck. You've heard of hermit crabs? This is a people crab. A bucket crab. Now what are you going to do, Jeremiah?
Hide from you.
What?
Hide from you.
Hide from me. Where'd you get the bucket anyhow?
Rummage store.
And is this what you bought it for?
I got it for you to play with.
And are you stuck?
No. It just feels like it.
So get out then.
I'm trying. You can't just get out of this bucket like fast enough to have an itch.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Yeah.